there, little explorers. Are you ready to dive into the wacky world of sharks? Buckle up, because it's going to be a fantastic adventure. First up, did you know there are over 500 species of sharks? That's a lot of fishy friends, and they come in all shapes and sizes. Meet the tiny dwarf lantern shark. It's only about the size of a pencil. How cute is that? On the other end of the spectrum, we have the whale shark, which can grow as long as a school bus. Whoa! Now, let's talk about teeth. Sharks have some of the coolest teeth in the ocean. They can have up to 35,000 teeth in their lifetime. Imagine brushing all those. And guess what? If a shark loses a tooth, a new one just pops right into place. It's like a never-ending magic trick. Ever wonder how sharks sleep? Well, some sharks have to keep swimming to breathe. Yep, they can catch some Z's while on the move. Talk about multitasking. Oh, and here's a fun fact for you. Sharks don't have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage, the same stuff that's in our ears and noses. So, they're basically swimming noses. Let's not forget about the hammerhead shark. With its wacky, wide head, it looks like it's always ready to fix something. But those heads are super useful. They help hammerheads find their prey by sensing electrical signals in the water. It's like having a built-in metal detector. And speaking of cool tricks, the great white shark can leap out of the water like a dolphin. That's called breaching. Imagine seeing that at the beach. All right, little explorers, that's just a splash of the amazing world of sharks. There's so much more to discover, so keep exploring and keep asking questions. If you enjoyed our underwater adventure today, don't forget to like and subscribe to Little Explorers. Until next time, happy exploring!